DENSO have been fantastic. The organisation and the effort and the resource they've put into this, all of the stations that they put out around the plant, and actually being an event where a manufacturer is walking you around a plant and physically showing you, here's this bit of equipment and here's what we've done to it and how to save this much energy. There's nothing better than that, than a real live case study in front of you. BMF has progressed really positively. We did the project in 2024. We had the launch event February 2025, and we're 1 year on from there, and we've managed to establish a recognised not-for-profit organisation. We've still got the same input and involvement from the manufacturers that we had in the 2024 project, which is brilliant. At least 3 of those sites have achieved significant energy savings since those original surveys, which is even better because that's what this is all about. And we've managed to recruit and bring in some other manufacturers to the group to get interest. And as I've learned from today's session, even more of those that we surveyed in 2024 have actually achieved some energy savings.